Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit. Multiply the Celsius number by 9, divide by 5, then add 32 to get the Fahrenheit result. I will walk through examples step by step and show a quick mental trick for rough estimates. That way you can convert temperatures fast in your head or on paper, and you will feel confident checking a thermometer or recipe conversion. Begin with the Celsius temperature visible on your thermometer or recipe. Multiply that number by 9, then divide the product by 5, and finally add 32 to reach Fahrenheit. I will demonstrate each arithmetic step slowly so you can follow along and pause if needed. You will learn to recognize when to round and when to keep extra precision, which matters for cooking and scientific measurements. I will share a handy mental shortcut for fast estimates and show when to use it. Doubling the Celsius value and adding 32 gives a decent approximation, but I will also explain why the exact formula is better for precise needs. Follow along as I compare the shortcut to exact results and suggest when to trust each method for weather, cooking, or lab work.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.